Hello and welcome back, beautiful people, into another video. In this video we are going to discuss upload defaults in YouTube. So what is upload default setting in YouTube and how can we use this? If you write something one time, then you can use it many times in your upload default. So I'm going to show you how you can use upload defaults. We need to open our browser. Now we need to go in our YouTube studio. From here, you need to go in setting. So after setting, you see the upload default option in here. So this is your video title, description, and visibility text. If you add some tag in here, every video you see the same tag. You don't need to write this tag in every time. If I give you some title, and you can see I already give some description in my description area. So it is my YouTube link and my Facebook link. And then you can see the visibility option in here. You can select this option for every video. You can change this visibility to unlist, private and public from here. And you can also add some more tag for a default option. So I'm going to add one more tag in here. And now this time if I click on save in here, and now if I click on upload and upload videos, this time you can see this is my title I write before. Now you can see this title I already write in my upload default. You can also see the tag, the YouTube, I already insert in my upload default. So in this way, you can add your tag, title and description in your video without wasting your time. And if you don't want to write this thing in every time, that's why you can easily do this in your YouTube video. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more videos.